Let's take a more in-depth look at the control panel. The control panel is the left-hand portion of your screen where the majority of your work will be done. This is where you set your status and handle interactions. If you are not using a CRM, this is the only portion that needs to be visible. Your status is visible in the control panel on the left. You will always be on break when you first log in. To begin, mark yourself as available or working offline. Any pop-up notices that have been broadcast since your last login will appear in the Notices tab. You can also review old notices, read the notices, and close them. To start taking interactions, change your status to available. Now you're ready to take calls, handle chats, or respond to emails depending on which communication channels your administrator has enabled for you. Highest priority queues will start sending you transactions. The appropriate tab will blink in red when a transaction is sent to you. To stop taking interactions, set yourself to an unavailable status. Status codes such as take break, working offline, etc. are defined by your contact center manager to help track your time and status. Each one can contain a status code that provides further detail for reporting purposes. To stop receiving new transactions while maintaining the ability to access all features, change your status to Work Offline. When working offline, agents will not receive transactions through a queue, but they can still place calls and receive internal calls. You must be on the Work Offline or Take Break status in order for the Logout button to be available. Depending on your company's custom configuration, you may be able to see the status of your colleagues and queues by selecting the Status tab. To chat with another agent, find their name in the Agents list. Click on the agent's name and select Start a Chat. The chat window will open. Type in your message and click Send or press Enter. Click End to finish the chat session. You can use the drop-down menu on the top left of the control panel to quickly navigate between different functions, such as setting up your profile or viewing recordings. Some functions and permissions must be enabled by your manager to be visible to agents. When you are ready to quit the application, select Logout from either the Working Offline or On Break status.